What is up guys, this is Fact Express. You're watching some random interesting facts, so let's move to the video. Barcelona based Stylish invents a new technology that can digitally print images on your hair. The world's largest natural bridge is discovered by Google Maps. The bridge is called Xingren-Qiu. The people you don't recognize from your dreams are the ghosts lurking around you when you sleep. A life straw is a filter designed to filter water so that the user can drink it safely. It can remove 99.9% of germs from water. Worker cleaning a window at the 124th floor of the Burj Khalifa, UAE. Your tongue is the only muscle in your body that attaches only at one end. This leopard uses its sheer power to drag a giraffe up a tree. This is carpet alarm clock and it forces you to get up and stand on it to turn it off. Did you know Antarctica is the only place in the world that has only 2 ATMs? Hey guys, if you like my video, please do subscribe. This is a salt mine in Romania. Did you know more planes were destroyed in World War II than the planes on the earth today? This is a 2000-year-old Egyptian 20-sided die with the Greek characters. This is a species of a frog from Africa known as African rain frog, and they look very sad. Scientists create the world's roundest object by fusing over $1 million worth of silicon 28 atoms together. It's not snow, it's just a spider season in Australia. A Kenyan woman startup discovers a way to recycle the plastic waste into bricks that are stronger than concrete. There is a town in Arizona called Nothing and nobody lives there. Married couple get stunned when they discover their path had crossed 11 years before they met. The artist Simon Berger creates amazing portrait by smashing glass into certain places. Be alone, that's the secret of invention. Be alone, that's when ideas are born. Said by Nikola Tesla. The drawing was done by a mentally disturbed patient in mental hospital. If Mount Everest were placed at very bottom of the deepest ocean, the peak would still be submerged by a mile of water. The lacrimal punctum is a small hole in your eyelids that drain your tears into your nose. Always match the colors of your belt and colors of your shoes. This will enhance your looks immediately. Things are not always what they seem. The deer is not crossing the road is crossing the forest. The comparison of size between Pluto and Australia. Lamborghini cars were invented when the Lamborghini tractor company was insulted by the creator of Ferrari. Look what happens when you throw a hot tea into a freezing cold air of the Antarctica. Did you know the male brain is 10% bigger than the female's, but the female brain works more efficiently? Man converts old metal drum into a portable washing basin at bus stops. Scientists took Stephen Hawking to a zero-gravity shuttle, one just to lift him from his wheelchair and to make him happy. Circular bridge built to slow down drivers so that they would enjoy the view. The real-life baby shark. Mutant fish is born with a human face, has 2 eyes, a mouth underneath the head. This car designed to look like an upside-down truck. A man who had a stroke in 2004 permanently lost the ability to feel sad. Did you know a leech has 10 stomachs, 32 brains, 9 pairs of testicles and several hundred teeth? There is a restaurant in Spain that grills its foods over a volcano. People that cuddle can become addicted to each other and experience the symptoms similar to withdrawal when apart.